Hey students, valency is very important thing in chemistry. Especially when it comes to prediction of molecules, you should know some valency rules. And the rule is that valency of combining elements are equal, right? See, valency when they equalize, you get the molecules. So in order to simplify the life, let's do one thing. Let us draw a basic periodic table, some part of it, and then let's write some valencies. So you remember that? So these are the valencies. Hydrogen is a monovalent species, so its valency is 1. This group is having valency 2. Then boron has valency 3. Carbon has a normal valency 4. Then it decreases. Nitrogen has 3. Oxygen is 2. Fluorine is 1. And that's you reach the 0 group. Noble gases, they do not have a valency. Now, more than that, there is an amazing thing. You could shift these elements from left to right and do some tricks. Like if you decrease the number of electrons on carbon and make it a C plus, then you can see it will now have a valency equal to 3. You can do the same with nitrogen. If you do N plus, you can now have valency equal to 4. You can also do O plus in some cases to get valency equal to 3. F plus is not possible, and neon is a stable element. Now let's do. So if we are shifting the element to this side, so remember that we are creating a plus on it. And if we are shifting the element on this side, that means we are creating a minus on it. Now let's do it. Boron, if it is given a negative charge, then it will become 4 valency element. If carbon acquires a negative charge, C minus, then it will become a trivalent. Nitrogen, upon getting a negative charge, will become divalent. Oxygen, on getting a minus charge, will get monovalent. And you see when fluorine becomes minus, it is completely satisfied. You can do 2 shift also. You can do C minus 2 to get divalent. You can do N minus 2 to get monovalent. And you can get O minus 2 to become a stable thing. You can also do it further. C3 minus, that is monovalent. N3 minus is a nitride ion that is completely octet complete. And finally you do C4 minus. Now you see the utility of this chart. Now pick up this thing, same valency species you pick up. So let me pick up. Fluorine has 1 valency and H has 1 valency. So fluorine now gets combined with F, right? You can also do this. Fluorine has 1 valency and another fluorine has 1 valency. You can do this also. That's great. Now see this. Oxygen has 2 valency. Hydrogen has 1 valency. So you do this. That's normal water, H2O. Further, nitrogen has 3 valency. Hydrogen has 1 valency. So we can imagine it easily. NH3. And same case with carbon. Carbon has 4 valency. You can put hydrogen as well as fluorine. You can put any combination like that. Like you can do this CH3F. It's your choice. You can also imagine CH2, F2 like this. Now let's go further. Let's go further. Let's see this. Carbon is a 4 valency. Nitrogen is 3. If you do N plus, then N plus can become 4 valent species. So we can imagine a particle like this, NH4 plus. Do you remember? It's an ammonium ion. It is just like a methane, right? Now you do this. Carbon is 4 valency. You do plus. So it has become a trivalent species. So you know what is this? It's a carbocation. We study it in organic chemistry mechanisms. Now you do C minus. If you do C minus, it will become trivalent. So you get this CH3 minus. So it is a carbon ion, you can imagine. There are so many good things you can do. Now you take this. You see below nitrogen. You can either have N2. Now you can replace 1 nitrogen by O plus. You can imagine it like this, NO plus. You can also have 1 C minus in place of N. You have cyanide, that's poison. And you can have a combination of C and O. You could see this is CO, carbon monoxide. So further, 1 carbon is 4 valency, oxygen is divalent. So you combine like this, CO2, right? Now you replace 1 oxygen by nitrogen, N minus. So this is cyanate ion. So this is the amazing valency chart. You can use this by moving element to the left as well as the right, and you can imagine so many molecules on your own. So hope this helped build up your concept. Thank you.